Hey everyone, hope you guys are doing well today. Just wanted to quickly go over the requirements for your next major assignment, which is your mock job interview. So basically, you will be assigned a partner from the class, and you and your partner will work together to create this mock job interview. And each of you will take on the role as an interviewer and an interviewee. And we'll do this in 4 steps. So the first step is we're going to research and find a job description. So you'll be finding a description, an ad, something that reflects a job, an internship, a graduate program, something that you would like to apply for. Ideally, you need to find something that you could apply for now, or a job that maybe you could apply for upon graduation. So something that's, somewhat realistic that you think you might be able to do, fairly close to graduation and have the skills and knowledge and be able to do. You can also interview for an internship or a graduate program or something like that as well. So we'll work together to find a job for you to interview for. Then everyone will complete a cover letter and a resume. Then you will also take on the role of interviewer, and you will create an interview agenda based on everything we've been talking about so far about writing questions. You will complete an interview agenda based on the information given to you by your partner. So the job description, the resume, the cover letter. And then as the interviewee, you will prepare responses to the questions that will be asked by your interviewer. And then all of this will come together in a mock interview. You'll have 30 minutes to demonstrate your interview. So for the first 15 minutes, one of you will be the interviewer and then the interviewee. And then you'll switch roles and take on the role of the interviewer or interviewee, depending on what you had completed the first round. Now, the interview will be recorded. We have the means in Blackboard to do that. Or if you and your partner would like, we can do these in person. So later on, we'll talk about, turning this in and the best way to do this. So these are all the requirements for the interviewer and the interviewee. So the portfolio that will be due, as the interviewee, you will need to turn in a job description for which you applied, along with the resume and cover letter. And then the interviewer will need to turn in all of the prep work that was completed to do the agenda, and then also the final interview agenda with the detailed opening, the questions, and the closing. And just keep in mind, you will serve as both an interviewer and an interviewee. So you'll be turning in all of these materials. The mock interview needs to include the following: a clear opening to build rapport, at least 2 traditional interview questions, and we'll talk about what those are, at least 3 behavioral interview questions. We'll talk about those as well. As an interviewee, you will need to provide answers that reflect the questions being asked, a closing that defines next steps, appropriate nonverbal behavior as well as dress, and then we're going to talk about EEOC guidelines for interview questions, so you need to make sure that you abide by those as well. And then we'll do a post-interview reflection. This is the rubric for the interviewer role as well, and the next page is the interviewee, and it basically breaks down all of the requirements. So again, the opening, 2 traditional interview questions, that shouldn't be 5, it needs to be 3. Sorry, I'll change that. 3 behavioral interview questions, a closing that defines the next steps, and appropriate nonverbal behavior. And then for the interviewee, an appropriate greeting, responses to the traditional interview questions, and then we're going to learn a pattern of responses for behavioral interview questions, so the STAR or PAR method, which we'll talk about in Unit 2. Closing the interview, and then also appropriate nonverbal behavior. And then finally, the completed self-reflection. So this is what we'll be working on over the next 3 to 4 weeks. And I will be assigning readings and various assignments that will help keep us on track. And I will also be assigning your partner during the week of February the 5th as well. As always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. And I'll be happy to help you out. And I look forward to working with you on these interviews.